Welcome to our tutorial on how to open video subtitles options in YouTube on your PC. Subtitles help enhance your video watching experience by providing captions or translations. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to access the subtitles options in YouTube. Let's begin. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. Select the video you want to watch and click on it to start playing. Step 3. In the video player, locate and click on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or cogwheel. Step 4. From the settings menu, find and click on Subtitles CC to access the subtitles options. Step 5. At the top right corner of the subtitles options, click on Options to explore additional features like font size, style, and background color. By following these quick and easy steps, you can open video subtitles options in YouTube on your PC and customize them according to your preferences. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials on YouTube and other tech-related topics.